What are we up to today?
Well, Elayna,
I know what we're up to, but no one else does.
so for those of you who don't know us, I'm Riley, this is Elayna behind the camera here. Today we're going to go out into the Atlantic Ocean and drift along until we find a fish and then hopefully try and spear it using nothing but what is essentially a stick with a sharp end and a rubber band. It's very primitive gear that we're using, and we're hoping to try and get ourselves some lunch. So we're going to leave the sailboat here. We'll be going out in the tender, which is half deflated at the moment because it's been a long time since we've been somewhere where we could receive mail. And we don't have any GPS coordinates or numbers or anything. We're just going to drift along until we find some live bottom and see what we can find.
So we recently got a hole in the dinghy. We've been taking this dinghy places we probably shouldn't have. We cannot find the hole, so it is sinking, and like Riley said, we can't receive mail because we're out in the middle of nowhere here, so we can't get another pump for the dinghy. The pump got rusty and the seal broke, so yeah, we couldn't fix it. But anyway, I'm going to take a radio with us today and some water, and that's pretty much all we need. It's a really reliable dinghy, so touch wood, she hasn't let us down yet. A nice little size snapper.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
What kind of snapper is it?
I think it's a yellowtail.
Yellowtail snapper. What are you doing? Fish is getting cold. I'm gonna eat it all. How good does it look?
It looks absolutely, and look, it's, yeah, I'm so happy. A bit windy. What do you reckon?
10 out of 10, honestly. A combination of the olive oil and the fish juice on the veggies. so nice.
Yeah, that's the bit I love. That's
Yeah.
amazing, hey?
I was thinking of adding herbs, but I was like, I don't even think we need it. Very nice.
I might pour that into it.
Don't say that and drink it. Ew.
We can't throw it away. We've got to use it for something.
Success, you guys. We finished it off. Riley's feeling a bit sick because he ate too much oil, he reckons. He was literally drinking the juices. How's the tea?
It's good. Are you filming me, Elayna?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know.
Am I annoying you?
No.
Tell me something interesting.
Tell you something interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, one doesn't like to blow one's own trumpet, Elayna, but I'm usually reasonably good at this. A neutrino can pass the entire way through the Earth without anyone noticing or it affecting any of the other things happening.
So it could pass through my body.
Everything.
That's pretty incredible. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Don't go anywhere, you guys, because Riley and I made a short film the other day. We had a lot of fun doing it, and we're excited to show you. It's a little bit weird, but I think you'll enjoy it.
Elayna, I have got an amazing idea. I am going to install a voice-activated facial analysis and body language scanner so that the vagabond will obey commands given by face or hand signal.
How are you going to?
It's elementary, dear Watson. Here it is, Elayna, the flux capacitor.
I thought the flux capacitor was for time travel.
Not this flux capacitor, Elayna. Not this one. That'll do nicely. Let's go sailing. There's a neural interface which I've created between the vagabond and the flux capacitor. It's very complicated, but essentially what it means is you can say the words 10 degrees port and the boat will turn 10 degrees port.
That's so cool. Really?
Yeah. 10 degrees port.
That's incredible.
I know, right? So now in bigger swell, you can actually tell her to surf down a wave. But because of the facial analysis and body language scanner, you can actually just do this. So watch this. "10 degrees starboard" is a little bit more difficult. You've got to go.
I can't believe this. This is so exciting. Engage autopilot. Engage autopilot.
No. For that one, that's a bit more specific. You've actually got to fall asleep.
What about something for flushing the toilet? Because sometimes people forget to flush the toilet.
Okay. Alright, baby. Now this needs to scan your face. Very close, very close. No, you look like monkey magic there. We want more, we want a bit more pizzazz. No, try again. Stinking, filthy, like, but you gotta, alright. Yes, you did it.
Can we have one for hoisting the mainsail?
No, because we've usually got to do that, but we can have one for dropping the mainsail. What do you want to have for that? 2 clap, easy, done. Oh, and the last one that I wanted to tell you about is inside. I'm a genius, aren't I?
Yeah.
So we've teamed up with Audible again for this episode, and by now you will know our unique URL, www.audible.com/SLV. So the book that I'm recommending to everyone is Nick Bostrom's Super Intelligence, Paths, Dangers and Strategies, but it's pretty difficult to get through. So That's a more difficult one. Maybe a better starting point would be Ray Kurzweil's How to Create a Mind. So if you'd like to pick up any of those books or any of their other unmatched selection of audiobooks, magazines or newspaper articles they've got, please head over to www.audible.com/SLV to pick yourself up a free audiobook and a free 30-day trial. So yeah, hopefully some of you guys are as enthralled by AI as I am. And back to sailing, I guess, now.
I'm really sorry. I think I used one of your hand signal things and the mainsail drop. What smells in here? What happened? Well, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching very much. We're gonna drink our lemon and honey tea and probably head off to bed. I've seen a lot of sunshine today. So anyway, I hope you liked that one. If you want to see more Catch and Cooks, please give the video a like and subscribe to follow along.
Scub scubber!
Scub scubber.